Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Listen English, where every conversation helps you grow. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack.
How are you feeling today, Jack?
I'm doing great, thanks. I woke up early this morning, made some tea, and sat by the window. Very quiet, very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. I love quiet mornings too.
Yes. And you, Emma, how are you?
I'm good, but I have to tell you something funny.
Oh, tell me.
This morning, I was in the kitchen making breakfast, and I was talking out loud.
Talking to who?
To nobody. I was alone.
You were talking to yourself?
Yes, I was saying things like, okay, now I need 2 eggs. Where is the pan? The pan is on the shelf. All in English.
Emma, that is actually wonderful.
Really? My cat looked at me like I was crazy.
Your cat doesn't understand, but your brain does. You were practicing English.
I was?
Yes, and that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Oh? What's our topic?
Many of our listeners say the same thing. I want to speak English, but I have no one to talk to, and I have no time.
Yes, I hear that a lot too. No partner, no time, no chance to practice.
But what if I told you that you can practice speaking English every single day with only 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes? Really?
Yes, 10 minutes a day. That's all you need to start.
But can 10 minutes really make a difference?
Absolutely. Think about it. 10 minutes a day, 7 days a week, that's 70 minutes of speaking practice every week.
70 minutes? That's more than 1 hour.
Yes, and most people practice speaking 0 minutes a week, so 10 minutes a day is a huge improvement.
That's true. From 0 to 70, that's a big change.
Today, we have 5 tips, 5 easy ways to practice speaking English in just 10 minutes a day, and we'll also talk about self-discipline.
Self-discipline?
Yes, self-discipline means you do something every day, even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like it, you do it anyway.
Ah, that's hard for me.
Sometimes it's hard for everyone, but today we'll make it easier, I promise.
Okay, I'm excited. 5 tips. Let's go.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
And share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you. It helps us so much. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. So, Emma, the big problem for many learners is this. They study English, they read, they listen, but they never speak.
Yes, I know this problem. I read a lot, I listen a lot, but speaking, not so much.
And why not?
I think I'm nervous, and I have no one to practice with.
Those are 2 very common reasons. But here's the truth. You don't need another person to practice speaking.
I don't?
No, you can practice alone, and you only need 10 minutes.
Okay, show me how.
Tip number 1, talk to yourself.
Talk to myself, like I did this morning with the eggs?
Exactly like that. When you're alone, speak English out loud. Say what you're doing. Say what you're thinking.
Out loud? Not in my head?
Not in your head. Out loud. This is very important. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice. Your lips need practice. Speaking is physical, like exercise.
Oh, I never thought about it that way.
Think about a guitar player. They don't just think about music, they move their fingers every day. Speaking English is the same.
So my mouth is like a muscle?
Yes, and muscles need exercise. When you talk out loud, you train your mouth to make English sounds.
Okay, what should I say?
Anything. You're cooking? Say, I am cutting the tomato. Now I am putting oil in the pan. You're walking? Say, I am walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice today.
Just describe what I'm doing?
Yes, simple sentences. Present tense, what you see, what you do, what you feel.
Okay, let me try. I am sitting in a chair. I'm talking to Emma. The room is warm. I feel happy.
Perfect. That's exactly right. 4 sentences, all easy, all real.
And nobody needs to hear me?
Nobody, just you and your voice. Do this for 2 minutes every day. That's a great start.
2 minutes of talking to myself? I can do that.
Tip 1. Talk to yourself. Use your voice. Train your mouth. Good. Now tip number 2, this one is fun. The name is the mirror trick.
The mirror trick. What's that?
You stand in front of a mirror and you speak English to yourself in the mirror.
Speak to the mirror? Like talking to my face?
Yes, you look at yourself and you speak. You say, "Hello, my name is Jack. I am learning English. I like coffee and movies."
That feels a little strange.
It feels strange at first, but it's very powerful. Do you know why?
Why?
Because when you look in the mirror, you see your mouth, you see your face, you see your eyes, and you become more confident.
More confident?
Yes, many learners are afraid to speak because they feel embarrassed.
Embarrassed means they feel shy or uncomfortable?
Yes, I feel embarrassed sometimes when I speak English.
The mirror helps you get used to your own face speaking English. After a few days, it feels normal. And when it feels normal to you, it feels normal to others too.
Oh, I see. I practice being comfortable.
Exactly. You practice the feeling, not just the words. And you can also watch your mouth. Are your lips moving enough? Is your mouth open enough? English needs a big open mouth.
A big mouth? Got it.
Well, big enough for English sounds. Some sounds need your lips to be round. Some need your tongue to touch your teeth. You can see all of this in the mirror.
So the mirror is like a teacher?
Yes, a free teacher in your bathroom every morning.
Let me try. Tomorrow morning, I'll brush my teeth, then I'll talk to the mirror for 2 minutes.
That's a wonderful plan. Tip 2, the mirror trick. Speak, watch, get confident. Very good, Jack. Tip number 3, are you ready?
Ready.
Tip 3 is shadow a speaker.
Shadow, like a shadow on the ground?
Good connection. A shadow follows you, right? It copies your movement. In the same way, you follow a speaker. You copy their words.
I copy what they say?
Yes, you listen to English, a podcast, a video, a movie, and you repeat the words right after the speaker, almost at the same time.
At the same time?
Almost. You hear a sentence and immediately you repeat it with the same speed, the same sound, the same feeling.
Can I try now?
Yes, I'll say a sentence, you shadow me. Ready?
Ready.
I love learning new things every day.
I love learning new things every day.
Very good. Did you notice? You copied my speed. You copied my sound. That's shadowing.
Oh, that felt good. Like I was inside the sentence.
Yes, shadowing helps your brain connect listening and speaking. You hear it, you say it at almost the same time.
So I can do this with any podcast?
Any podcast, any video, even our podcast. You can pause, repeat, play again, pause, repeat.
I will shadow Speak and Listen English.
That's a perfect idea. 2 minutes of shadowing every day. Your pronunciation will improve fast.
Pronunciation means how I say the words?
Yes, how the words sound when you say them. Shadowing makes your pronunciation much better.
Tip 3. Shadow a speaker. Listen, repeat, copy the sound.
You got it. Excellent. Tip number 4, the name is Describe Your World.
Describe my world? What does that mean?
It means look around you and say what you see in English.
Like a game?
Yes, like a game. Right now, look around this room. What do you see?
I see a table, a brown table. There are 2 cups on the table. 1 cup is white, 1 cup is blue. There's a window. The window is big. I can see trees outside.
Wonderful. You just practiced 7 or 8 sentences in about 20 seconds.
That was fast. And I can do this anywhere?
In the kitchen, on the bus, at the supermarket, in the park.
At the supermarket? What would I say?
You say, I see red apples. There are many bananas. The milk is on the left side. A woman is buying bread.
I'll look like a strange person talking about bananas in the supermarket.
You can say it quietly or in your head, but out loud is always better.
Okay, quietly I'll whisper to the bananas.
The bananas won't mind. And here's the best part. You don't need to prepare anything. Your world is always there. You just open your eyes and describe it.
No books, no apps, no internet, just my eyes and my mouth.
Exactly. 2 minutes. Look around. Describe everything. Colors, shapes, people, actions. A man is walking his dog. The dog is small and white. The sky is cloudy.
Perfect example. You're getting very good at this.
Tip 4. Describe your world. Look, see, say it in English.
Yes, your world is your classroom. And now our last tip, tip number 5. This is about self-discipline.
Ah, the hard part.
It doesn't have to be hard. Tip 5 is use a timer.
A timer? Like on my phone?
Yes, set a timer for 10 minutes, and for those 10 minutes, you only speak English. No phone, no social media, no distractions. Just you and English.
Only 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes, but they are focused minutes. Focused means all your attention is on one thing.
So I'm not half watching TV and half studying.
No, that doesn't work. 10 focused minutes is much better than 30 unfocused minutes.
And what do I do in those 10 minutes?
You use the 4 tips we just learned. 2 minutes talk to yourself, 2 minutes mirror trick, 3 minutes shadow a speaker, 3 minutes describe your world. That's 10 minutes.
Oh, so I combine all the tips into one session?
Yes, one 10-minute session every day. Same time, same place. This is the secret of self-discipline.
Same time, same place?
Yes. For example, every morning at 7:30 in your bedroom before breakfast, you set the timer, you start, and when the timer rings, you stop.
And I do this every single day?
Every single day, even when you're tired, even when you're busy. 10 minutes, that's all.
But what if I don't feel like it?
That's exactly when it matters most. Self-discipline is not about feeling motivated. Self-discipline is about doing it anyway.
Doing it anyway, even when I don't want to.
Yes, motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Think about brushing your teeth. Do you always feel excited to brush your teeth?
No, never actually.
But you do it every day anyway, because it's your routine. English can be the same.
My 10-minute English routine.
Exactly. After 2 weeks, it becomes normal. After 1 month, it becomes automatic. You don't think about it, you just do it.
Like a habit.
Yes, self-discipline builds the habit, and the habit builds your English.
I like that.
Discipline builds the habit builds the English.
And remember, you don't need 2 hours. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher.
You just need your voice and 10 minutes.
That's everything you need.
Tip 5, use a timer. 10 focused minutes. Same time every day.
Perfect. You got it, Jack. Okay, let's review our 5 tips.
Yes, let's do it.
Today we talked about how to practice English speaking in just 10 minutes a day. Jack, tip 1.
Tip 1, talk to yourself. Speak English out loud. Describe what you're doing. Train your mouth like a muscle.
Good. Tip 2.
Tip 2, the mirror trick. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak English. Watch your mouth. Build your confidence.
Perfect. Tip 3.
Tip 3, shadow a speaker. Listen to English. Repeat the words. Copy the speed and the sound.
Tip 4.
Tip 4, describe your world. Look around. Say what you see. Colors, people, actions. Your world is your classroom.
And tip 5.
Tip 5, use a timer. Set 10 minutes. Same time, same place, every day. Self-discipline builds the habit.
You remembered everything, Jack.
The tips are easy. Anyone can do them.
That's the point. You don't need money, you don't need a teacher, you don't need a partner. You just need your voice and 10 minutes.
10 minutes can change your English.
Yes, small daily practice makes big improvement over time.
I'm going to start my 10-minute routine tomorrow morning.
And I believe every single one of our listeners can do this too.
You can do it. We believe in you. Start speaking today. Even one sentence is a great beginning.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak and Listen English.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was a wonderful episode today. Please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
And give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what will you talk about in your first 10-minute English practice?
Will you describe your room, talk about your morning, or shadow a speaker?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye.